Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more investing insights. All the links mentioned in this GuruFocus review are down in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using the platform. GuruFocus, a value investor's stock research platform review. In this video, I'm diving into GuruFocus, a stock research platform specifically designed for value investors who prioritize fundamental analysis. You can find links to GuruFocus in the description if you're interested in exploring it further. This platform is perfect for investors seeking in-depth financial data, comprehensive analytical tools, and robust screening features geared towards long-term value investing. It's particularly valuable for those adhering to strategies similar to Warren Buffett's, emphasizing company evaluation based on solid financial metrics and historical performance. A key strength of GuruFocus is its powerful screening tool. This feature allows you to filter stocks based on a wide range of criteria, including price-to-earnings ratio, return on equity, debt levels, and many more. This is an invaluable asset for value investors needing to efficiently analyze thousands of stocks and pinpoint promising investment opportunities. The platform also boasts detailed financial data on over 40,000 companies, encompassing income statements, balance sheets, cash flow statements, and essential financial ratios. GuruFocus provides a clear picture of a company's financial trajectory over time and facilitates comparisons with industry competitors. For even deeper analysis, GuruFocus offers valuation tools, including DCF models. These tools enable you to calculate a company's intrinsic value based on discounted cash flow and other valuation methodologies. This provides a powerful framework for making informed investment decisions based on a stock's true worth. Furthermore, the platform offers access to GuruWatch, a feature tracking the stock holdings and transactions of prominent investors such as Warren Buffett and Charlie Munger, providing valuable insights for those seeking to emulate the strategies of successful value investors. Staying up to date on market developments is crucial, and GuruFocus addresses this with a dedicated news and analysis section. This section aggregates relevant articles, market updates, and earnings reports, ensuring you're informed about the latest happenings. GuruFocus also provides premium content, including expert research and articles penned by seasoned value investing professionals. Even though the paid version unlocks more advanced tools, the free version offers substantial value, especially for investors just starting their journey. In conclusion, GuruFocus is a comprehensive platform built for investors committed to value investing and data-driven decision-making. It's an exceptional tool for both seasoned investors seeking advanced analytical capabilities and beginners eager to learn more about financial analysis and long-term stock evaluation.